Back at it on Wick's GTO. So when we left off in here, I was installing the new window regulators, and we didn't have hardware that was reaching, so I just kind of mocked them with these bolts here, you know, which are a little long, and they're gonna hit. Let's see if you can get the light to see if we can make it work. Come on. Oh, look at that. We can. See that? And they're gonna hit. So, quit freaking out. So, I went to my favorite place in the world to order stuff from. McMaster-Carr! I ordered us quarter 20s flange head in 1/2 inch and 5/8 length. I was gonna get us 9/16, but they didn't have any 9/16 flange. So we're gonna go for it on these, do our install, and I'll probably swap out the hardware from the front as well, because it's all kind of hodgepodge, mismatched color. Maybe we'll just put all new pretty stuff. I think that'd be cool. Got our hardware in here on the back. Window regulators. McMaster-Carr making it happen. Good. Okay, so I got the window regulators all bolted with the new bolts, as you saw. I've put the window track back in. I've already got the passenger side completely done with the glass in. Once we power up the regulator, then we can pop it in and try it. But the rollers are in. I wanted to show you how the rollers work. Don't mind the obnoxious bass from next door. Wick and I are about ready to have a riot. Anyway, there's 3 rollers on the quarter windows. Un, deux, trois. Hallelujah. Woo! Yay! They finally shut the fuck up. So yeah, there's 3 rollers on the quarter windows. And on the track here, you have one here. You have one, it's hard to see, in the center here, and one on the back side here. So the center one gets the one with the swivel, and it's actually the toughest one to get in. But the rest of them, once you get it in there and guide it in, it just slides on in. And then once we put the glass, like I said, with the power, get our regulator going, this baby right here pops into this baby right here. And then that's everything minus adjustment. Just like that, the glass is in. The absolute key is leaving all 3 track bolts really loose. I actually take the bottom one out completely so I can wiggle, yeah. Track. But there it is. Done. Dealio. Brand new switches, which we're gonna use and plug in. Once I play Go Fish. There it is. Plug them all in. Wick's over here getting ready to make some test leads so we can hook it up to the battery and get our glass close. Alright, so Wick's got, we have power temporary. Is that motor plugged in?
Yeah. Click. Let's see what you got now.
Okay.
Well, I got some shit to add. Do it again.
Go up.
Okay.
Let me go down.
Probably. It's hitting this here, but I don't think it goes up this high probably.
No. Here. Let's bring it all the way down. Okay, so we got down, we got up, we got down. Verifying that works. Up, down.
It almost looks.
I think we gotta spin it because you can spin the thing in there.
Yeah, because it almost looks like it's. Almost looks like it's backwards because it's tight up against the inside of the door panel here, and like the lock rod.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see how we are over here. But this too, you can move this to wherever. You know?
Yeah, it just seems like we're really tight this direction.
Yeah, like it's. But the glass, once it's got the glass in there and it has the track, it'll probably pull it like that too.
Yeah.
But all right, so we got juice. Juice. Those little fuckers are quick, Wick. I can dig it. Yeah, these are definitely not jerky like the new Relics ones. But looking good. All right, we're gonna monkey with it and get the glass where it needs to go on the rear. Then we'll do the glass on the front. And we be styling. Not adjusted yet, but we got moving glass. Wick, these fuckers haul ass. I like it. All right, it's in. We gotta adjust it a little later, but it's there. Woo! Man, that works way better than the ones from New Relics. Now we just gotta adjust them, which we'll do that later. Getting ready to do the passenger side here, and it would be going up, but it wouldn't go down. So I disconnected it, and sure as shit, just a little tab bent over in the connector. That's why it wasn't on all the way either, Wick. Look. I'm gonna see if I can get the light.
Ah, fuck.
But we can pop that bitch back over and be all right. Yep. Alright, so Wick and I got this apart, took care of everything, straightened out the bent tab that was inside on the blue one, which is the lead for going down, as you can see. Down. Works good. Straightened it out, it was mushed over. So we straightened it out, then we threw a little solder on them for good measure. Now I just need to shove the clip in the rest of the way to make sure it locks. And make sure our contacts stay, and then we will be good to go. Alright, Wick got the glass in. We teamed up. Going to obviously need to adjust it, but it goes up, goes down. Can't complain about that. Works good.
Looking good. Just looking at, what is that?
Sticker residue from well, acetone will take care of that. That ain't no big deal. Also, we did grease up our rollers with just a little bit. We just use a little Mobile One goodies. But looking good. Onto the driver's side. And just like that, we have glass. It's just funny with Wick on the other side of the door.
Fast glass.
Fast glass. Glass, gas, or ass. Either way, you're hauling ass. That shit's good. Love it.